Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today we're going to be talking about how to manifest an insane glow up. This is a very specific and easy method, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys because this method has helped me a lot. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel I talk about all things law of assumption, so if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. If you are currently manifesting your SP, I highly recommend for you to enroll in my Manifest Your SP course. If you would also like to book one-on-one coaching to manifest anything, or to join my collective coaching services, all of the information will be in the description box down below. Alternatively, you can go on RitaKaminski.com and all of the information will be there as well. The first thing you're going to do to manifest an insane glow up is to listen to my glow up subliminal every single night. I will link the card up here for your convenience. Put in headphones as you're sleeping. You can also listen to it without headphones or earphones, but I believe that it is a lot more powerful when you put the subliminals inside of your ears. Number 2, every morning I want you to repeat this affirmation for 5 minutes as soon as you wake up. I am receiving an insane glow up now. Keep repeating it for 5 minutes. I am receiving an insane glow up now. I am receiving an insane glow up now. I am receiving an insane glow up now. You do not have to feel as if. You can literally just keep on repeating it until the time is up. So this is a robotic affirmation. Don't pop a blood vessel while repeating this. It is not necessary. You don't have to think about this manifestation at all. Number 3, and this is the key, I want you to keep your eyes and ears out for anything that you find interesting beauty related. So when you hear a friend and she's talking to you about the earrings that she just got and how much she loves them, if she's not a gatekeeper, and I'm hoping that you're friends with people that are not gatekeepers, ask her where she got it from. If they look pretty, if you are genuinely loving them, get them. That is the universe literally trying to give you pieces of the puzzle for your glow up. This is of course not just including earrings. If you see a post of an influencer doing a workout and it even slightly remotely influences you, if it slightly remotely inspires you, do that workout the next day at the gym or even at home. If a YouTube video pops up and you see a specific skincare routine that you find interesting, that again inspires you, try it out and see how it goes. If someone is talking about a type of sport or even just walking, they have talked about a brand new walkway to do, or if your friend invites you to walk her dog, literally this can be anything. It doesn't even have to be beauty related. It can be food. It can be a water bottle that you buy and it is big enough and it is comfortable enough to drink from. It may be a vlog where an influencer is telling you how they juice. It can be so small and minute. It can be something internal. That is the universe giving you little things for you to glow up from. The gag is that they're not so little, because once you start practicing this even one day, you would have accumulated so many products, workout routines, opportunities to glow up. Maybe it's a specific eye contact that is absolutely perfect for your eyes. Maybe it is your friend hooking you up to a doctor that can give you Ozempic. It could be absolutely anything. Anything that inspires you, whether it has to do with a glow up or not. Even if it is a quote that you've never seen before about self-discipline and you start working out every single day, just go with it. Go with the flow. It will not feel like any action because you are flowing with the universe. The universe is giving you things for you to glow up. And yes, you can manifest with just affirmations or any type of methods to manifest a glow up without doing anything. I'm not limiting you. That will also happen. but our minds sometimes needs to have some sort of way of getting things, right? Because we have been wired all our lives to work in order to get, to work out in order to lose weight, right? So while we are breaking our limiting beliefs and our limitations, we want to work with ourselves, right? When you do find that clinic that gives you an amazing facial or Ozempic or whatever it is, and you feel comfortable doing it and it inspires you, take it. That is the universe literally giving you a glow up. All you have to do is receive it. It will be so easy, and in no time you will have an insane glow up to the point where no one, not even your own mother, will recognize you. I will give you an example. I have wanted to find an amazing skincare routine, and there are millions of videos on YouTube talking about the best skincare routine, right? None of them stuck out to me. And I told the universe, I told my subconscious mind, I am receiving an amazing skincare routine that works just for me. I repeated it once. In a couple of minutes, I see a recommended video of this woman talking about tretinoin. I will link it up here. Use tretinoin at your own discretion. If you are inspired, this may be your first step to a glow up. And I have been using it for a year and a half now, and I have never gotten so many compliments on my skin. All of you guys in the comments down below and on Instagram, social media, people in real life, whatever, tell me how glowing I look, how glowing and youthful my skin looks. It will just come in the easiest, flowiest way, and when it does come, it will excite you to put in the action, to buy this thing, to follow through the steps, and it won't even feel like work. And with that being said, I trust this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.